Hi everyone, welcome to the Earth Science Regents Review podcast series created by Hummock's Middle School Earth Science Department. Today we're going to be talking about page 4 in the reference table, your ocean currents map. Now this map doesn't only tell you about ocean currents, it tells you a little bit about latitude and longitude. Numbers along the sides, on the left and right, those are latitude, the equator being the main latitude line. Numbers along the top and the bottom, those are your longitude values. 0 is going to be the prime meridian, 180 is going to be the international date line. As you travel east from 0 to 180, notice that your eastern hemisphere is broken up. As you travel from 0 to 180 west, that's no problem. That's legitimately given to you. So notice that you can do latitude and longitude from here. You have a key at the bottom. Your warm currents are represented by a black arrow. Your cold currents are represented by a white arrow. Now your currents here actually help distribute energy across the planet. So when you look at the Peru current is bringing cold water from Antarctica up to the equator. If you take a look at the Kuroshio current, that's bringing warm water from the equator up to the North Pole. So you get this constant circulation, this constant interaction between warm and cold water, and it helps distribute energy across the planet. If you look at North America and if you look at South America, you'll notice that those two continents actually have cold water currents on their west coast and warm water currents on their east coast. Okay? And what happens is that tells you that your west coast and east coast are going to have dramatically different climates because your ocean currents are going to bring cold water, is going to bring cold air, warm water is going to bring warm air. So you're going to have significantly different climates on east coast and west coast of North America and South America. If you notice the currents in the northern hemisphere, they are going in a clockwise fashion. They're being deflected to the right. That's what we call the Coriolis effect. If you take a look at your ocean currents in the southern hemisphere, they're being deflected to the left, or they're going counterclockwise. So you see that the Coriolis effect is actually also being depicted in these maps as well. So please make sure you know how to read it, and please watch this podcast again if you need any additional information. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon.